Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see how we can also generate product images for our businesses with the help of Midjourney tool. So let's have a look at this. So for this, we're going to use the Discord tool where we can go ahead and do this. So here we can give the prompt specifically. Let's say we're giving a prompt. So we are planning to generate, let's say it's a online store for running shoes, which we sell for athletes. So what we want is to generate some product images related to that. So we have given that particular prompt to the tool, which is product rendering for running shoes for athletes, bold designs. We're looking for some kind of inspiration designs or ideas which we can use for designing our products. So we are asking the tool to provide us some really good bold designs for running shoes. And we are giving it as an 8K resolution so that the quality of the image is really great. So let's see with this, we are going to provide the information. So the bot is now going to generate the images for us. And from there, we can select which ones we want. If we don't like those, then we can give some other prompt as well. And based on which we can then further go ahead and look at the other options. So as you can see now, it's working on it. So it's 62% done. So and they're going to give us 4 different versions of it. So now we can see these are the 4 different versions which they have come up with, ideally speaking. Okay, so here, let's say we like this particular one, which is the second version. So we have the option where we can get more versions of the second type. So V1, V2, V3, V4, these are versions, okay, which you can get. So 4 versions is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you want, you can get versions of it. U1, U2, U3, U4 is basically they're going to improve the specific one. If you select any particular one, let's say if you choose U3, then they're going to improve this particular image. Okay. So similarly, for version ones, they're going to create variety of the one which you select. So for example, I like the second one. So I'm going to say V2. So the tool is now going to generate 4 versions of the second image. And from that, you can identify which one you really like, and you can save those to your system and then make use of it. So you can see now they're creating it. So now we have the options out here, which we can see in this manner. So now we have this in place. So this is how the whole image would look like, ideally speaking. So this looks pretty neat. So like, for example, this one looks really nice. So this we can save to our computer, okay, and then use this for product designing. I hope this makes sense. I hope you're understanding how we can make use of this tool to generate different product images for our business. And then we can make use of it for designing our products and manufacturing it.